Hey everyone, today we are going to discussing about SQL Aliases. In this class, we are going to discussing 4 different types how to use aliases, like using as keyword, without using as keyword, with spaces, and without spaces in aliases. The uses in real time. We'll explain it. Let's start that. In our last video, we have discussed about self query with real time examples, right? So now for this example also, I'm going to use the same table. Okay, you may have seen my last video. Let's select. So in this one, I have used this vector products table to explain the self query. Okay, so same like that only here, I'm going to show you that for as purpose. See, as with nothing but alias. First, I'm going to brief. Okay, I don't want to bore video lengthy, but I'll give you some brief. See, has means nothing but a renaming of the column. In Oracle, there is a rule that for the column, there should not be spaces. Okay, if you are creating a column, for that, there should not create any spaces. It should be mixed or it should be with different, divided with underscore. Okay, should be like that only we have to mention. Okay, so that when you are querying the data, when you are generating a report, you have to give spaces, you have to give it readable format, right? If your manager asked some report means, see, if that product you are working, so that your manager asked some fashion category only data. So at that time, how you will give only category you will give or what? So like fashion category you have to define. So that example I'm going to explain you in this class. Okay. Yeah. We start the here I'm going to take that product name, comma, category. Okay, these two will take. Yes, 2 columns I have taken. See here, the product name has been mixed, right? So it is not as much as readable. So if I'm exporting this, so for looks wise it will not be good, right? So that's why. So how we have to use this have means. So first of all, we are going to see that as. Okay. So with has keyword, first point, right? So that has product name. Okay. Somewhat okay, right? I have separated the product and names with underscore. No, right now. Same like that, category is there. So that what manager has been asked, fashion category you want, right? So fashion category. See, if you are don't think that if you are using this, if any freshers are coming, you don't think that here whatever the alias name is there, it will not affect any table level thing. Okay. Here just for self query only it will be used. This is for only freshers level. Any intermediate or experts are there, it is not for them. No fashion data only where has been required. No fashion category is here. Okay. Simply where category equal to fashion. Now only we have got fashion data, right? So fashion data only we got. Now we are having one report that so the manager has been requested how many products are there under fashion category, right? So that product name and fashion category. So whatever the fashion category products we have displayed, that's it with has keyword. Now the second point is without has keyword. Okay, so this I'll call paste simply. So if we have to remove the has keyword, that's it. Has in the place of has we have to give the space. That's it. Finish. So this is what without has. So you can able to use alias without has keyword also. Okay. So this is what the second point. And coming to third point. As I explained to you earlier, we can able to use with spaces also aliases. Like sometimes underscore also not as much as readable, right? So it should be give with space. So at the situation, if I am giving space, you please observe that if I am giving space, it will throw error. See there under red line is there. Okay. So see, it will execute or not. Just see. From here, not where expected because it is defining it as it is expecting a comma here because if the space is there, it is expecting a comma. Along with that, if it should be a column, right? So uh, to satisfy this, we have to add double. Okay. Finish. That's it. So, but here, whatever the case, whatever you have defined inside the double quotes, that's what will come. That's it, finish. Normal aliases, there will be caps case only it will come. But if you are giving inside double quotes, case also it will be same to same as it is. That also it will be use of the double quotes with the spaces. Okay, you can able to write anything here that whatever the name you want, whatever the cases you want, like that any report if you are going to generate with the camel casing or Pascal casing, or first letter should be caps, next letter should be small. So that constraints also will come in some scenarios, right? So at the situation, these are the useful. Okay. Without spaces means nothing but the same like entire. I'm planning to explain you that entire things. Okay. So here you can able to write this without spaces. Not only for which spaces, this is what casing also. See here, product name is there. No. See, product name is there, right? So I have measured that both. So I can give underscore here with casing. So here without spaces also, or with the spaces also, we can able to use this under this our double quote. Right now. Same like that only here. Same it will apply that with the spaces, without spaces here also. Okay. In Oracle it is possible. So this is the concept that with the spaces, if anybody asking in the interviews, so you have to question like this. Under double quotes, you have to give this. Okay. So here same like that, you can able to use has keyword also. No problem further. Right now? So same result will come. There is no change in the result. Yeah. But today this is what the session guys. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video. If any doubts and clarifications or any extra things required about the concepts, whatever I am teaching in this series, please give me a comment in the comment section. Bye.